sunset now, sleeping in with my sheets. If I could pause the world and tuck it into the night.
Yeah, city lights, they blinking, they ain't know my name, and the phone keeps buzzing like a ghost, and none of them feeling the same. Pillows calling my name, running like a train, counting on the constellation through the ceiling pane. I'm scrolling through the moments that I didn't even keep, and I'm just chasing every sunset, sleeping in with my sheets. Hey, if I could pause the world, and I will. Hey, if I could just tuck it into the night, I would find my way.
I just need some melatonin and hold me till the dawn. Wrap me in the noise and sing and whisper, baby, you belong.
TV talking, taking love song off key. Hey, all the white noise answering, and nothing is meant for me to blink it, folding gently like a lullaby on repeat. Hold on, in the hush, I'm honestly honest. In the dark, I finally breathe. Oh, slow down on the countdown of the lines upon my face. Trade me on for the hush of your slow, warm embrace. If I dream, oh now could be a ticket. I buy one for two from the midnight.
I just need some melatonin, hold me till dawn. Wrap me in the noise and sing and whisper, baby, you belong. Shut the door to